My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Seat Leon. This vehicle has done just under 75,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, you have cruise control as a feature and voice control. On the right, we have automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access air conditioning, full link, vehicle status, navigation and media. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes, which include sport, individual, normal and eco. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.